I bought this lantern in the IKEA shop in the Netherlands and took out all the electronics, the LED unit and the battery unit. The battery unit is here. The whole circuit is supplied by four 1.5 volts batteries, so say 6 volt. But there is an electronic unit inside the lamp that also, I think, regulates the voltage and the current. I did not test that, but anyway, this is that unit. And in fact, I'm not very interested in these electronics. I'm interested in this LED unit. You can see a lot of dots. All these dots are LEDs. And the type number tells KT3C6060. And I found that it is an extremely bright lantern. So there are on the market and on YouTube all kinds of advertisements about extremely bright LED lanterns, but this is one. And I've bought this for only €1. It was dumped more or less by IKEA. There was a kind of magnifying glass on the top of the unit. But anyway, so let's see what happens when we add voltage and current to this unit. Here you see the voltage. Here is the current. Let's see what happens. Now we have 2 volts. 2 volts. Now we have 2.5. And now we have 3. I don't dare to go higher, but you can see on 3 volts the LED unit lights up very much. When I switch off the lights, you can see that it gives an extremely bright light. White, bright light. I don't go higher because I don't want to damage that unit. And you can see here that it takes 200 milliampere at 3 volts. And by Ohm's law, etc., we can calculate the power, the watts, that is generated by this unit. But given a certain amount of watts, a certain amount of power, this LED unit gives a lot of light, and that's important. So perhaps another unit at the same voltage, at the same current, does not give so much light. So it's a very, very high quality unit. And perhaps the fact that such a lantern doesn't look so attractive was the idea to dump this lantern, but it's an extremely good unit.